Alright, boys and girls. This is day 2 of me coming back from vacation. Woo. When I tell you daggum old slappy dog needs another vacation from his vacation. That's what I need. I'm being a little lazy today, and I'm only running the one camera, the Center 10C Pro. I'm gonna get back to my 2 camera setup. I got so much videos to go through for the Key West trip. My Lord. And I didn't video as much as I normally do going down, but I still have accumulated a lot of video. But those are good memories during the winter months. I'll play around with them and get them going. It's almost like a home movie. You remember when you was a kid and they would bring out the projector and you would see the home movies, and when your parents and all that was young, having little birthday parties and stuff like that. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to get a hold of those things and put them on YouTube? And I remember I used to go to the Freaknik every year, and I had a daggone camcorder that was big as a Channel 10 news station. You hear damn near throw it over your damn shoulder blade and shoot your videos. And I've got a lot of those on VHS. I do know there's a place that you can take them to get them, I don't know, digital copy or whatever, but get them on a jump drive or something. I would love to be able to put some of those videos on YouTube. Some of the people that used to go with me are no longer with us, and you can kind of see them move around. You can hear their voice and kind of watch them having a good time, you know, when they had life and was alive and doing their thing. But I'll work on that. But I'm headed to work. I got a new time slot that I'm going to work on. Go in a couple of hours earlier, which is good. My daughter calling. Yeah, it was my daughter calling me there. But yeah, I like to get some of those videos on the YouTube, and I'm gonna work real hard on getting that done maybe this winter, when there ain't so much riding and other things going on. Whew. I gotta get my butt back used to this time, I know that. But I am headed to the job. I am headed to work on a fall day. When I got off this morning, it was about 40, I think about 44 degrees. I did put on my, I have some snowmobile pants, insulated pants that I put on, and those seem to do the job. I didn't put the long johns on. I didn't think I would need that. It'll have to get well below the 30s before I'll attempt to do that. But it is 45, about an hour, 45 minutes to an hour home. You know, at night, in the dark, real foggy. So, putting that extra layers on is very important. But I am on the interstate. It ain't nothing to see here. And I'm going to stick some doggone music in my ear and try to get myself picked up so I can go get this money. Let's see what's in the box.
Now it's been 12 years since I sold my soul.
A little country song. That'll do it. That'll do it. Come on. Let's get in a fighting position. That means relax. The leaves are starting to change. Maybe we'll go up there and see that. Feel like a little bit of a rainbow. This is kind of the end of the kind of rush hour that I have in my neck of the woods. And once I go by this waterway, ain't nothing to see here. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching another episode of Slappy Adventures. Please like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.